Got a lesson for you from Cardi B. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play up. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. And if you're looking for tabs, you can find them at guitarpowerup.com. There's a link in the description below. So this entire song is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an E minor chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 7th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 9th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 8th fret of the B string. Next is a G major chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 10th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 12th fret. And then last is an F sharp minor chord. So you're just going to take the E minor chord and move it up 2 frets. And it repeats, and all put together it sounds like this. And that's it for Up. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.